Hello everyone, this is Kinkoni LT. This is development news of our relay controller. This year we have made the new firmware that supports MQTT for the B series controller. And until now, we have finished the development of the H2B relay controller, so that all our B series controller supports the MQTT function. This year, the chip is very difficult to purchase and also is very expensive. But now, Kinkoni have prepared some chips for our older customers to update their hardware so that can use our new firmware and the new function. Because some H16B and H8B and H4B and H2B, the older version, the older hardware version, have not enough memory for the chip to update the firmware. So you need to replace the chip and use the new chip. You can update the firmware. The new firmware function will have one that you can support the MQTT function. You can integrate your relay controller to your home assistant or by Node-RED or Automatic by the MQTT protocol. It will be easy. And two, it will support the HTTP function so that you can use your web browser, open the web page, and to turn on and off relay. Also, you can use the post or get for the integration. And the three, there are option of the momentary time setting, so that you can set the time the relay will on and auto off, such as you can set from 1 second to 1,000 seconds. It is enough for you to use set the delay time for the relay output. And the last, you can use Kinkoni's IP scan tool to scan the device IP address and the port in your SIM network. So you just open your toys in the software on Windows PC and click, and you will find list all your controller is displayed and the IP and the port. So this is the new function of the new firmware. If you want to update, so you need to make sure your chip is the newest. And if your chip module is not begin with AT32F module, so that you need to replace. If you have the welding ability, so that you can remove the old chip like this, remove the old chip and install the new chip. And then you can use this AT link, that is a USB cable, for download the firmware for the AT chip. So after you download the firmware, and you can use all new functions. And if you not use the B series controller, you use like H32 and H16 and the older version. This is the first version of the hardware. And so that you cannot use the B series firmware. And we will have an activity that give you a big discount for the older customers. So I will make another video for explaining this. And if you have using the B series controller and you want to update the firmware, you have any questions you need to come for, you can leave the message to our YouTube channel. We will feedback to you quickly. Okay, thanks for watching.